Hello children, I hope you all have watched the first part of our lesson Major Landforms, understood the lesson and also completed your homework. Now let us look into the importance of our mountains. So children, now let us look into the importance of mountains. Yes. Children, do you think this major landform, mountains, are important for every physical features of a country? Yes, they play a very vital role in many ways. Now let us see what are they. Firstly, mountains have a very thin layer of soil, children. Hence, agriculture cannot be practiced here. So, it is not a favorable conditions for agriculture to takes place on the mountain areas. Yes. So, because of very few chances of having agriculture, it is directly or indirectly influencing on what children? Population. Yes, that is the reason why mountainous areas are not densely populated. They are very thinly populated. Yes, mountain areas are very thinly populated due to the factors like unsuitable climate, shortage of flat land and difficulty in transportation. Yes, so we cannot find much land flat like plains. We have learned in your previous class where plains are the fertile land and the flat land, where mountains are abruptly risen, which is not favorable for agriculture, and also a difficulty in transportation, which makes people difficult in living there. So the population is very less. Despite this, mountains are very useful to us. Can you guess few things, children, how mountains are useful to us? Yes, correct, children. The first point, they act as boundaries of every country, most of the countries. Yes. So now let us see how mountains are very helpful to us. Mountains act as a barrier against cold and hot winds. So they protect us from cold and hot winds blowing across the country. Next, they are the place for originating many rivers, children. Yes, rivers that originate from mountains provide water for irrigation in plains. Yes, children, quickly can you remember that few rivers which we have learnt last year originated in our Himalayan ranges? Yes, River Satluj, Brahmaputra, Ganges or Ganga. Yes, children, very good. So these are the rivers that have originated from mountains and they flow where? They flow in plains. Yes, and make the plains very fertile. Next, mountain slopes are rich in forest resources and green pastures. Yes, so what are that? Mountain slopes are rich in forest resources and also green pastures. Forest, children, we have also seen the importance of forests in various situations, like they welcome rains, we get wood, a lot of products, and their reason for having lot of oxygen around us. So they are rich in forest resources. Okay, and green pastures. Pastures are nothing but the grazing fields for the cattle. The next use, the mountains are rich in minerals. Yes, so the minerals which are found under our earth. Yes, children, like iron and many other minerals which we dig and take it out. So many mountains, some precious minerals are found under the mountains. So let us quickly see once again what are the important points about the mountains. They have a very thin layer of soil, so which is not suitable for our agriculture. Due to this, they are very thinly populated because of the unsuitable climate, shortage of flat land, and difficulty in transportation. Whereas, when coming to the positive sides, they act as a barrier. They protect us from cold and hot winds. So, many rivers originate from the mountains Yes, these rivers, children, they are also called as perennial rivers. The perennial rivers are nothing but the rivers which flow throughout the year. Okay, they never dry up. Yes, so they provide water for irrigation in plains. Next, so they are also rich in forest resources, and green pastures are useful as green pastures. Some mountains are rich in minerals. Yes, these mineral resources are helpful for us in many ways.